Hello, Father. Today we're making Cantonese style fried riced cauliflower with shrimp. It's going to be low fat, fairly heart healthy, has reduced sodium, but still some sodium in it. But it's quick, easy, and really tasty. This should be a rare treat for us because the sodium is a little bit higher in this, but when you have to have Chinese food, this will do in a pinch. Stand by for the recipe. I love you. Let's talk about today's ingredients. Super easy stuff you can find locally there in Oklahoma. So, I have some green onions. I picked up some low sodium soy sauce. We use that sparingly. I also picked up some frozen medium shrimp, peeled and deveined. We'll be using 2 packets of riced cauliflower. We'll be using some extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. And we'll be using some minced garlic. That's the entire ingredients list. Now the pan I'm using is a Curtis Stone Diamond Weave pan. So I'm going to use very little oil in this. But super easy recipe, quick and easy, no need for the air fryer. Low fat, heart healthy, and ready in less than 10 minutes. Let me defrost my ingredients, prep my onions. I'll be right back with you. Alright, so once again, here's our ingredients. Pretty simple. 1 pound of cooked, peeled, deveined shrimp. About 8 chopped up green onions. We're going to use a tablespoon of minced garlic, some reduced sodium soy sauce, 20 ounces of riced cauliflower, and 1 egg. That's it. Let's put it all together. Alright, it may get kind of loud in here if I turn the vent fan on, but bear with me. Oops, so I'm adding a little over 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's all I'm going to need for this. And of course, olive oil is heart healthy, so don't worry about that too much. Going to stir that all around the pan. And once again, I'm going to put in actually about half a tablespoon of minced garlic. I have my heat set to 8, and once this all starts cooking, it's going to go really quickly. So my prep time for this was just about 6 minutes. That included defrosting the rice, or the cauliflower rice, and the shrimp. Alright, I'm setting about 7.5 to 8 on my electric stovetop. My oil starting to sizzle, so in with the rice. toast around for right now so it all gets coated in the oil. That'll help in the frying process. I'm going to let it go for a couple minutes. I'm going to brown up a little bit before I add in my soy sauce. That will also take out the extra moisture from the cauliflower. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, we are using reduced sodium soy sauce, but it's still full of sodium, so this should be a rare treat. For a tablespoon, even with reduced sodium, you're still going to get about 400 milligrams per tablespoon. I'm hoping to get away with just using 2 tablespoons. We'll see how it turns out. One tablespoon. Second tablespoon, and then start your mixing. Turn my vent fan now to get it louder. Alright, 2 was just about perfect, so great. I'm going to toss in my onions, all those nice green onions. You could also add, if you wanted to, some steamed broccoli, or some microwave broccoli. Some folks put in sweet peas, etc. But this is a Cantonese style from Oklahoma. I mean, it's pretty basic. Making a little hole there in the middle. Next up is my scrambled egg. I'm going to get it mostly done in the center. There we go. Then chop and mix. Yeah, it gets a little messy. It's alright. And then for my last ingredient, just going to toss in that cooked, peeled, and deveined shrimp. Let it get nice and warm, and we're done. That's it. Now, instead of shrimp, you could have put in some chicken, or what I like to do actually is some fried tilapia. It is great in this. I'm not a big fish eater. Let me take that back. I eat a lot of fish, but there's only certain fish I like. It can't be too fishy, so I found that tilapia works well for me. North Atlantic cod works well for me. Grouper has a nice flavor to it. And that's about it. That's about all I like. Salmon's too fishy for me. Roughy's too fishy. Catfish on occasion, but that's it for fish. Alright, we're done, Dad. I'm going to plate this up for my meal prep. And there you go. A quick, easy 7-minute cook time, 6-minute prep time, healthier version of fried rice. Now, you may have to add some no salt to flavor this if you want. Once again, that soy sauce was low sodium. But here we go. Let me turn this off, plate this up, and we'll be done. Alright, so I've got just about, looks like, 8 meals right here. Prepped and ready to go. Once again, really nice. Some quick shrimp fried rice using riced cauliflower. So great for low carb, great for heart health. Just watch the sodium. And there we go. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you try it out. It's really a great little meal. Love you.